sing from my heart to the land of my birth and the fair hills of Eirè, and to all that yet survive of Eirè's tribe on earth, on the fair hills of Eirè. In that land so delightful, the wild thrushes lay, seems to pour a lament forth for Eirè's decay. Alas, alas, why pine I 1,000 miles away from the fair hills of Eirè? The soil is rich and soft, the air is mild and bland on the fair hills of Eirè. Her barest rock is greener to me than this rude land, oh, the fair hills of Eirè. Her woods are tall and straight, proof rising over grove, trees flourish in her glens below, and on her heights above, in heart and in soul, I shall ever, ever love the fair hills of Eirè. A noble tribe, moreover, are the now hapless Gaia on the fair hills of Eirè. A tribe in battle's hour, unused to shrink or fail, on the fair hills of Eirè. For this is my lament, in bitterness outpoured, to see them slain or scattered by the Saxon sword. Oh, 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 to see a foreign spoiler home on the fair hills of Eirè. Broad and tall rise the croups in the golden morning glow on the fair hills of Eirè. O'er her smooth grass forever sweet cream and honey flow on the fair hills of Eirè. Oh, I long, I am pining again to behold the land that belongs to the brave Gael of old, far dearer to my heart than a gift of gems or gold, are the fair hills of Eirè. The dewdrops lie bright mid the grass and yellow corn on the fair hills of Eirè. The sweet-scented apples blush redly in the morn on the fair hills of Eirè. The watercress and sorrel fill the vales below, the streamlets are hushed till the evening breezes glow, while the waves of the shore, noble river,